In this video, let's take a look on how to apply puncture to the tubeless tire by yourself. It will be useful whenever your vehicle breakdown happens in your journey. Mainly, you should have this self-puncture kit. It is available online at an affordable price. You should also have a tire inflator along with you. Product links are provided in the description. You can take first apply the air, then identify the spot where the puncture needs to be applied. Here you can notice there is a big nail has gone inside. So now we have got the spot. Now use the gum provided in the kit like this and then prepare it to apply puncture. So you need to use this accessory provided in the puncture kit. Just insert the gum like this and keep it ready. Now take off the obstacle. In my case, nail has gone. Using the accessory provided in the kit, then immediately apply the gum like this. So with the air pressure only you have to apply and then remove it out. You should apply the puncture gum whenever there is an air pressure inside the tire. Otherwise, gum won't be applied and puncture will be unsuccessful. Now using the blade, cut the extra gum which has come out. Here is the big iron nail which has gone inside. So now we have taken it out successfully and applied puncture. Thank you for watching.